Testing, testing. One, two, three. Okay. I think everything is up. Okay. Well, I'm the owner of Blue Donny Creations, and I'm doing a new. I'm currently on vacation for a couple of days. Really starting tomorrow, not today, but I'm doing a small development stream today. Uh, Before I go to work. Then I'll be on vacation for like 3 days, and of course, both all 3 days, I want to do a little bit like a small development stream from 30 minutes to an hour, showcasing some of the stuff I'm working on. Right now, I'm trying to update my levels in Unreal Editor in the Fortnite Creative, um, so that I can put the new updated versions. I have to do the rating system and all of this stuff, but in the process, I'm trying to do some tweaks, find some some things I can improve a little bit, find any bugs I had issues with, and try to fix those. Um, that's a set of some of the stuff I'm going to be doing. The other stuff, if I can get to it, in between working on these different levels, is that I'm going to begin working on a couple programs I normally used to use a lot more than I have been for a while. Character Creator, ZBrush, Marvelous Designer, and Blender to work on creating new characters, and also Unreal. I'm planning to set up some new projects. I want to start doing character animations as a strong focus of some of the stuff I'm doing. Um, I still plan to do some more levels for Fortnite. I have a rough idea for two more levels right now, and I plan to do some additional ones. I'm trying to link the ideas of my projects more tied of some of the other creative stuff I'm going to be doing. Like I have some short stories I'm working on. I have, like I said, already doing these animations. I ultimately do want to make my own game separate from Fortnite, but right now I'm taking advantage of the setup they have, and it's allowing me to brainstorm, mess around with certain concepts, and just figure out some mechanic type stuff. Um, who knows? Maybe I can do a little bit of Unreal stuff, and that'd be cool because a lot more options there. Um, but yeah, like I said, Um, I got updates to do to some of my levels. I want to do some new things. All right, let me get started and see where I left off. I was already working on this level. I tweaked some bugs I had. I had an issue with, let's see if I can get over there. That's not what I was looking for. I really need to organize this better. There we go. I had some issues here where most of this was destructible. Normally wasn't an issue, but I briefly was messing around with the Infinity Blade on my level, and I ended up destroying the bridge. There was no floor. That was a fun thing. Um, so I've tweaked it so that you have more parts of the floor that don't break, but I did kind of like the idea of the breakable floor a little bit. So I left some of the breakable floor. So, if something happens, if it's some form of explosives or explosive zombies, or you're using a more destructive weapon, you can lose access to part of the floor, but should still be able to get to the castle with some platforming skill. Um, I did some. I haven't done any tweaks to the boss fight yet. I fixed an issue with some of the music issues I had. Really need to set up some better navigation for me in my own level. Haha. Ah, that helps. Teleporter 2, 1. That's not helping. Okay. See, I had an issue with some of the music in certain areas. like over here in the forest where the music wasn't playing because it was still set up to one of my old designs where I used to have it where you could teleport directly to the locations you're exploring. As you can see, this bunch of trees here, I've been messing around with the foliage system, foliage system, um, and trying to essentially get certain things set up right. Kind of like it. Um, I'll have to see how performance works. Hopefully, there's not too much issue. Um, I've mostly been experimenting. Um, I do plan to. I'll probably edit and remove some more trees if there is an issue. Um, but I kind of wanted this to be more of a foresty area, but I don't want to take the chance if the trees start clogging things down. One of the things I'm planning to do is remove the individual trees I used to use, because before they gave us access to the foliage system, I had to place the trees down manually, which caused me to just grab whatever I could. The trees that I can actually place are kind of limited between these oak trees and these pine trees. That's about it. Not much of an issue with that. I would love more options, but I think I would have to get my own static trees, either ones that I can create myself or from that I can get from the shop. Which luckily I can buy some stuff from Sketchfab, but for currently I'm planning not to really mess with that. Uh, what's there? Yeah, I've added some new buildings that I've got from the Citadel pack that they gave us access to now in Fortnite. So I have some more medieval type houses to play around with. I kind of like these better. They just look better. This looks not as good. It might be from a different time when this was kind of the look of things. This has a more solid build. Like it's an actual, you know, interesting. So yeah, I plan to add later on, plan to add some side quests if I can figure out that stuff where you can pick up some more resources. I want to add a vendor that you can buy weapons and whatnot. A lot of my stuff is limited by the fact that I'm just doing what I can with devices and such. I still need to spend some time learning the verse language so that I can do more scripting and more complicated stuff. Even then, it would still help if I can get access to being able to do certain things, like make my own custom weapons or even just tweak the stats of weapons. Tweaking the stats of weapons alone would help a lot. If I can put some custom animations into attacks, that would help. This way, then I can use what's there and like just add my own additions to things. I'm planning to add the save system to the device to the thing. Um, but we'll see. All right, right now I need to set up a camp. Let's see. Finding a good spot for this camp. I want to put it off to the side. I think I should set up the camp near the forest. Yeah. Should be in the forest or before the forest? Uh, we got wasps there. I think the camp should be around here. Not too close to the wolf forest and the wasps, and in a spot that's kind of out of the way of certain threats. Alright, to get started, let's see what reference content I have access to. Alright. that. We'll change the texture a bit later. Put that there. Part there. Adjust the landscape a bit. I want to get the statics mixes out. I'm going to make a folder for it. Ooh, that's a note one. I think that's good for now. It's a small camp. Okay, let's go to landscape. I gotta alter the texture. Let's make this a little bit smaller. Okay. All right. That gives me the look of the camp I want. Now, that done. Let's see, what else can I do? All right, we got that set up. Okay, we got the camp set up. I need to put some devices in the game. I think a bow and arrow would be good. Get rid of the base. Okay. I always find that funny. Okay, we got that set up. Let's see. Huh. Hmm. I think I just have a zone you can enter and trigger things. Ah, gotta watch my words. Be better, they say. Be better. Okay, we're gonna have to use the mutator. Zone. Let's scale it back, scale it up a little. It's not the height I'm worried about, it's the scale. Okay, so camps will act like that. Okay, we got that figured out. I'm gonna make myself a cup of coffee. In a sec, I'll figure this out. Okay. So Hunter's Camp. Okay. Let's add completed to my list. Okay. Now we need to set up a save system. Yay! Alright. Ay, 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 ay. Okay, let me get a cup of coffee. While that's revising or whatever, time for a coffee break. So, I think I'm making some decent progress setting up what I need. Once I have the save system set up, I can then begin the publishing set. But that will probably be when I will end up ending it, because the publishing side of things involves me doing a lot of stuff on other programs and on my account website, and can't really show that. So once I finish the save setup, I'll run a quick test on my console. At that point, I'll probably disable the stream because I gotta start getting ready for work. Um, and then tomorrow I will go back in. I will either be showcasing. I will probably start with showcasing the level. I did either still in the private version or with the published version. We'll see if there's any major issues or bugs with anything, and then we'll publish it if it's not published already. If it is already published, then you could probably try it out. I have some friends that I plan to send the code to so that they can try out the new level, the updated level, um, and see if I can get some feedback. Feedback will be crucial. Okay. After that, I either will start work on updating the second project, or I will do a detour and do some character sculpting and modeling and such to try to develop for some other projects, specifically the animation project. I can't wait to really work on the animation project because I feel like that's going to be really fun and really more tactile, something that I can actually, showcase and stuff, which would be really cool. Um, I wish that I'm hoping that my Fortnite levels can get back up in the numbers a bit. It never was that high, but it was at least decent enough. Right now, it hasn't been doing so well, but I'm not sure if that's a factor of the fact that I haven't updated them in a while. I'm thinking, or at least I'm hoping that when you update, that's when it has a better chance to pop up on the search functions and be able for people to see it on their display stuff. Hopefully, none of the changes they recently did cause issue. And I don't know if the rating system is playing a part as well, which is also why I will be filling that out. Um, Beyond that, don't really know. Hopefully, everything works its way out. It would be good if it does. Okay, gotta put the new coffee in. So, tomorrow, though, I'll probably have the stream around this kind of time, around noonish. It will work. I have some stuff I have to get done in the morning. And then this time I'll probably stream for about 2 hours from 12 to 2. Well, no, yeah, 12 to 2. Um, Working on some stuff, working on Fortnite levels, working on my sculpting. I think that'd be good. I'm just kind of getting into this. So this is all kind of, I've experimented with streaming before, but it just didn't click. I want to start doing this regularly, weekly. Just over this course of these next couple of days, I'm going to do it kind of daily. The plan is to do it either once every Tuesday or Thursday, or maybe do it both Tuesdays and Thursday. You know, instead of 2 hours stream, do an hour stream, one on Tuesday, one on Thursday, and I can then showcase some stuff. I will obviously be working on stuff outside of the streams, but there might be certain things that I might only do on the stream itself. I think a lot of the sculpting stuff would be cool to just do on the stream. Maybe choose a character I want to work on or a creature and just work on sculpting it purely on stream. For the Fortnite levels, I probably will be working on them in the background. And it's really more about showcasing what I've accomplished with maybe a little bit of work I'm working on. I think that'd be good to start doing some more videos about showing off the gameplay of my levels and such, and posting them on my YouTube. Probably put some on YouTube Shorts. If anyone would have fun with that. Okay. My sugar in my coffee. I think next time I'll probably host my chat on Discord or something, so that at least I can maybe get one of my friends to chat with me, so it's not just me talking, and it would be slightly better that way, so that I'm not having too much empty air that tends to happen. Though it all depends if my friends actually care to about the development process. We shall see. Put the cream. No, I already had that cream. Let's add some pumpkin spice. Yes, I know I'm basic. Okay, come on, open. Open sesame. Okay, put my cream in. There we go. Hmm. Anything, it would be a good idea for my streams. For maybe the Tuesday stream will be about the project development for the game, for the Unreal Editor and stuff, in Fortnite. And let the Thursday stream be about more creative art and animations. Okay, I have my coffee. That did its thing. Okay, I was trying to lock this in. It does not have a feature. Okay. So, alright. So we're going to use the save device, that. Okay, we're going to do that. Okay, let's save the project for now. And that will probably be it for now, as I have to now do testing and such. Um, Normally I do my testing on my console. For future streams, I will try to do the testing on the computer, though I'm not 100% sure if that's going to lag a bit with both Unreal Editor and that running. I probably would do the testing more on the computer for the private version, while when I'm doing the actual testing out what I'm working on, while I'm setting it up, will be done on the console. Because I think, in my mind, it probably performs better that way, seeing I'm not drawing all this power on the same device. All right, that's it for the stream today. I will be back tomorrow to showcase more. Um, Maybe I'll have the level done by then, or maybe I won't. We'll see. Either way, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy, and I hope you look at my future streams. Also, after I finish this brief vacation period, next week I will start doing some more regular streams. I'm still deciding if I'm going to do it once a week or twice a week, but I might try to differentiate the type of streams focus depending on the day. And I will get back with you on that. I will also make sure to put some information about my social link connections and stuff on Twitter and Facebook and Instagram and such next time I do a stream. Okay? So I'll see y'all later. Goodbye.